Hi everybody.
G'day, how you going? What a night that was. We just rode out a massive storm. It's currently gusting over 40 knots and consistently over 25, 26. And yeah, that was a storm. I'm glad we're sitting here in a, not in a marina, it's a little club, like, what do you call this? Yacht club?
Yeah.
Yeah, yacht club. A little one, just, they're everywhere here in Holland. But we're not in Holland, we're on the video. We're crossing the English Channel. It's hard to remember where we are because, as you know, the video's a couple of weeks behind and the talking is usually a couple of weeks in front. So anyway, you're going to see us crossing the English Channel.
The North Sea.
Oh yeah, sorry.
The North Sea.
Take two. You're going to see us crossing the North Sea in winter. -3. Forecast for snow, hail, sleet, wind, waves, dodging 200 plus ships.
Shallow waters, sandbars,
strong tides. But I think we made it. Yeah, we made it. Yeah. It was tough, but we made it. As you'll see in the bits coming up. So what else is coming up? That's about it. Yeah, we crossed the North Sea. And we checked into Belgium. So
yep.
We sailed to Europe.
We did. We sailed to Europe.
We sailed to Europe. Can you believe that?
No.
Who would, if you had said that, if one of you guys had said that to me 6 months ago while we were tour guides or trekking guides in the Kimberley region of northern Australia, I would have said you're mad if you told me that. Even if you told me that 3 months ago. Well, we were in the Kimberleys 3 months ago. Anyway, it's enough chat from me.
Yeah. Enjoy the video, guys.
And just press that's enough chat from him.
It's enough chat from him.
See ya. Enjoy. See you guys, and thanks for watching.
Bye.
We've just sat through our first stormy night. I got up about 2 o'clock this morning and it was wild. It's just starting to calm down. But there were heaps of white caps and it was horrible. It gusted up to about 28 knots and blowing about 20-22. So yeah, first little rough night on the new nutshell, on a mooring luckily. Would have been horrible to be on anchor. But yeah, she handled it all right.
What's happening, Dale? Things are changing rapidly, aren't they?
We're come back into the marina because a bit of a storm's coming and we need to charge our batteries up because the solar panels haven't arrived yet.
This is where she is this time. We're heading into London to visit family for Christmas. We've just been dropped off here at Walton-on-Naze, and it's the end of the line and it's the cutest little station I think I've ever seen. It's so cool. So we bought our tickets online and Magnus is just getting them now. All this technology.
What are you up to, Wen?
Oh, I'm just sewing the mosquito nets for the hatches, but everything's white.
For which hatches?
Oh, the hatches on Little Nutty. Those hatches.
Small nuts.
I'm not allowed to say that. It's not fair, I'm not allowed to say that. Magnus is, though. Yeah, and just so that when we get to...
How long ago did we get our cuckoo clock, Wen?
Oh, I don't know, 30 years ago?
More than that. Nearly 35 years ago.
Oh, is it? Okay.
So why are we doing mozzie nets?
For Scandinavia and for all the places with lots of mosquitoes. Because now that we're small, because we're little nutty, we can get in close to shore. There's lots of animals close to shore.
Like crocodiles?
No, like little ones, bitey ones. So,
Right, I won't know you anymore. Look at it go.
I can't see a thing. I'm just going blind, really. I'm hoping.
Not only is Wendy busy sewing mozzie nets, she's making crumpets. So this is the batter. You've got to let it sit for a while. So yeah, homemade crumpets.
Thanks to Amanda. So we're back at Shotley Marina. We've spent a bit of time Christmas with the family, and we are planning on perhaps heading off to Belgium tonight, midnight. The solar panels eventually arrived. It's kept us here for quite a while waiting for them. So yeah, 2 for the roof, and then 2 smaller ones. I'm not quite sure where the smaller ones are going.
On the side.
There it is. Nice.
Yeah.
Do you want a hand?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, look at that. That's fabulous, that is. Wow. Unbelievable. Look how tight that is.
That's how it's meant to go. And the meat in the middle.
They're very neat, aren't they?
Yep. You don't even know they're on there.
No.
Let's put 2 brackets here, 2 brackets there.
Yeah, that looks great. Tell me what's going on.
We're just about to cross the North Sea. Yeah, the North Sea, middle of winter. It's -3 outside. It's snowing in Belgium. And we're crossing the North Sea.
And it's the middle of the night.
And it's exactly midnight. Why wouldn't you, middle of winter? Yeah, a little bit excited, a little bit nervous, and a lot of feelings right now. What about you, Wen?
Yeah, I'm a bit nervous.
But if it's not right, we can just turn back. So the wind's right. The wind's going to be right all day. It's going to get a bit windy towards the end of the day, maybe 15 to 17 to 18 knots. Tides are right. We've been waiting a few weeks. It's time to go. Wish us well. Enjoy the trip with us, guys. See ya.
We're off.
Yeah, we've cast the lines.
We've taken all the fenders in and the mooring lines in because we're on a free flow, the lock.
Yep, straight through the lock. Won't have to pull up. We'll just slow down past the electrical adapter to the lockmaster, and then we're off.
Yeah, so it's very quiet here.
Yeah, not a puff of breeze.
Which is good.
Which is a good start.
Just want it to be easy because it's the first one. While we get to know little Nutty.
Yeah.
So bye-bye, Shotley.
I'll see you back this afternoon.
Who knows? Hopefully not. Just want to get over there now.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty. Look at that one.
Yeah, it's pretty.
So far, so good. We've just left the, what have we left? The Leeds?
Well, we've left the harbour entrance.
Yeah, now we're in the ocean, I think.
In the sea.
The sea.
North Sea.
Yeah. So the whole trip should take
16 hours.
16 hours. We all going well. We should arrive about 4:30 tomorrow in daylight.
Oh, today? This afternoon.
Oh yeah, today.
This afternoon, yeah.
Yeah, it's because it was the middle of the night when we left.
We've been going an hour.
Yeah. She's very comfortable.
Or sightings of small vessels transiting the Dover Strait. Anyone with such information on such activity, report to Dover Coast Guard on VHF channel 16.
So all I got out of the weather forecast was winds of 3 to 5, slight to moderate seas, and slow to heavy sleet and snow. So here we go. There's a few boats around. We're just leaving the UK, going into France, and then over to Belgium. But there are ships everywhere, so I've already been dodging them for the last few hours. Well, hopefully we'll be able to sort this out.
How are we doing?
Good. We've done 47 miles and we've got 31 to go. So yeah, we should be there by about between 3 and 4 o'clock. All going well.
Quite big seas, aren't they?
Yeah, they're very, very lumpy seas. A few boobies around.
Yeah.
And what else was I going to say? Yeah, it didn't snow. Well, we got through that schmozzle. And now we just got the next schmozzle, which is down here. Well, it's off the page. Where are we? Down here. They're mainly all anchored, but there's another traffic separation scheme down here that we've got to get through. It's a lot smaller, but it should be easy enough, especially after getting through that. Crazy. About 7 years ago, 7 and a bit years ago, Wendy and I were standing on the beach here in Brussels, and we looked out to the ocean, and I put a waypoint in right here. I just took a distance and a direction, and I said one day we're going to sail nutshell past there, and here we are. Not the same nutshell, but we're sailing past. We're there, and that's the waypoint. That's pretty cool. 2018, 13th of December. I put that waypoint there. Pretty cool. We were doing a delivery run for a wicket van from Rome to London at the time. There we are. Wow.
They're all fluffed up. Look, they've all got their feathers all...
Never seen them in seagull.
They're so big. No. Incredible. So I made it in. They are enormous.
Yeah, they're clean.
Yeah.
We sailed to Europe.
We did. Well, you did. Yep, we're in Europe.
You excited?
Yeah.
Feel better now, don't you?
It's amazing how as soon as you get into calm water, my head's absolutely throbbing like hell. Here we are. Border Force are going to come in about an hour. How are you feeling?
Knackered. Yeah, jats. Absolutely jats.
We're here.
We made it. We made it to Belgium, and we're just waiting for Border Force to get here. To check us in. They're kindly going to come to the boat.
Yeah, they came to the boat. We didn't have to go to them.
Just gave a call, and they said, "Oh, we'll be down there in 10 minutes."
Amazing.
So it just pulled up actually.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Let's see how it all goes.
Yeah, it was a hell of a trip over. But yeah, I don't want to repeat that again. But it was good. We're here. We're in Belgium. So next chapter's starting already. See you guys.
Bye.
Yeah, a bit different here, guys. Bit different here.
How's it going?
Good, fun. Walking on a bit of slippery stuff. We're just walking over to customs to sort out our immigration, which is a matter of just showing your passports and hoping everything's good. Yeah. Beautiful morning. It's just above freezing. It hailed pretty heavily last night. It's beautiful.
Here we are.
And here we are.
How are we doing?
We're in the waiting zone, which is different to the Argos waiting zone. But when they've taken our passports, because what we're trying to do, it's easy just to check in, you just get a stamp with your passport, off you go. But then you're limited to 180 days, 90 days, sorry, stay in every 180 days. And we don't want that. But there is a clause in the European Border Act, clause 2, subsection 1, which says that any family member, direct family, child or spouse, can stay indefinitely as long as they're with their EU partner. So we're just getting that all clarified because this is the first time we've had to check into Europe.
Just finished the border patrol, I suppose. I don't know, entry. Went really well. Jimmy checked us in and
lovely guy.
put us on the system as en famille, which is what we wanted. So we're free to move around pretty much.
Yeah.
So win, win, win. It's lovely to be here.
It is.
It's taken a while to get here.
Yeah.
We're here now. So
It's just nice to walk on snow.
European vacation
Yeah.
begins today.
Yeah.
I'm going to go and find a bakery now
Yeah.
and go to a supermarket and get a little bit of food.
And then we're good to go.
I'm pretty well set up, but just get some protein.
Yeah. Then we'll
Yeah,
go and have a look around.
yeah. See ya.
Try some.
Oh, go on.
Try some Belgian beers.
Oh yeah, we've got to do that.
See.
I can feel one of those coming on right now. Ciao. Just found the beer in the supermarket. So many new things to look at. Oh, and it's here too. A lot of beer. Magnus just found his happy place. Look at this. Unbelievable. Goes on for miles.
I'm a happy little vegetable.
Look, keeps going, keeps going, keeps going, keeps going, keeps going. Wow. Red looks good. It's fruit.
Where